Ever since the viral cottage cheese ice cream made its way into my kitchen, I have been experimenting with so many different recipes. But I have to tell you, one of my favorite, I do have several, but one of my favorite recipes is the frozen Snickers bonbon, where you take a little candy mold, you layer it with the melted chocolate, then you put in the nougat. Well, you guys, check out my 40-second video recipe card. Yes, you guys, that dessert is as delicious as it looks, and it's low carb, it's sugar free, it's high protein. So if you want to see the full version, step by step, of how I put that deliciousness together, then check out the link in my description. And if you are interested in learning how to put other healthier versions of the foods that we love together, then keep watching to learn how to transform your diet, whether it's sweet treats or main dishes, into enjoyable, lower sugar, lower carb, more nutrient-rich recipes that even the newest of cooks can master with ease. So if you want to eat your favorite foods but want to stay healthy, click here for my guilt-free versions of the dishes you love, packed with flavor but not the unhealthy stuff. Thank you guys so much for being here. And if you enjoyed this recipe, then please do remember to give it a like. And also, if you know anyone that would benefit from what we are doing on this channel, and that is bringing everyone healthier versions of the foods that we love, because you guys, we love to eat, and eating is a good thing, and we can do it in a healthier way, which is what I am bringing you here. So please do share my channel with them as well. And also remember to subscribe to my channel by pressing that subscribe button below. I want to thank you all once again so very much for being here. And remember, it is a great day, and you continue to make it your own kind of special. And I'll see you right here real soon. And thanks again.